just drunken mistake. I want to get back to being like this.
Cutting Edge, My New Brain, tomorrow at 9 on.
This is Channel 4. Normal programs have been suspended. Please wait for an important announcement. This is Channel 4. Normal programs have been suspended. Please wait for an important announcement. A bomb has been planted at the Channel 4 headquarters in London. At the moment, police are currently investigating on the scene and doing everything they can to combat this. The bomb is expected to detonate in the next few minutes. We are currently evacuating anybody inside the building. Please do not attempt to help anyone because this can put your life at risk. The emergency services are doing everything they can. We do not have any more information at this stage. We will update you as soon as possible. We have some breaking news. A major explosion broke out at Elstree Studios in Borehamwood where the Big Brother final was supposed to take place. We currently don't know the number of casualties or fatalities, but it is likely to rise. The show's host, Davina McCall, and other production crew have been evacuated to a secured location. We have also received reports of a second explosion, this time in the Big Brother house. Unfortunately, all the housemates perished, and the rest of the house was burned to the ground. Endemol later confirmed that the live final of Big Brother has been cancelled, and the launch of Ultimate Big Brother has also been cancelled in light of the events. More details will arrive shortly. We have more information regarding a bomb threat at the Channel 4 headquarters in London. The police have found and detained an armed suspect who was responsible for bombing Elstree Studios and also planted the bomb at our studios. The police are also still searching for the explosives. What we do know so far is that the suspect attempted to carry out a politically motivated attack. What these motivations are is not known. We advise everyone to remain calm and diligent during these difficult times. More information will come out when they are available. Sadly, the police are still trying to locate where the bomb was planted. It is expected to detonate within the next minute. Once the bomb detonates, there will be a huge explosion that will shatter the Channel 4 headquarters and the remaining people inside it. Unfortunately, this will be our final broadcast. We cannot provide further updates due to the headquarters being destroyed. We, at Channel 4, are truly grateful to all of you who gave us the best support we can get for nearly 28 years. Unfortunately, all good things must